Taking a peek at the key fob for the Bronco. So it's unchanged from the 23 to the 24 model. You've got your Bronco lettering along the very back. You've got the unlock button, lock button, remote start, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also the emergency access key. So if you ever needed to get into the vehicle because the fob's died, you've got the flexibility to do it. You wanted to lock the glove box or the armrest, whatever the case may be, that's where you're going to make it happen. In order to remote start the vehicle, you're just going to press the lock button once, circle button twice. See there, your remote started. To cancel, you push that circle button there again once. So it's straightforward to do. Now on top of that, you've also got the flexibility of using the key fob to roll the windows down. It's straightforward to do. So you press the unlock button twice, and on the second button press, you're going to hold. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. See there? You can push the lock button in order to pause it part way, or same idea, you're just going to do another double press and hold, and once it starts going down again, you can release for it to go through the rest of the process. Now it does need to be enabled through the infotainment system, but the other thing to note is that it's windows down, but you manually have to roll them back up again. But still, I think that's a pretty useful feature.